Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're into Huck's World. Today we got a couple of fun watch faces for you all to check out. Some of you all are on vacation, some are just simply off, and others are at work. So we got a couple of watch faces that I think you guys should check out. And with that being said, let's start off with watch face number one. Alright you all, we're going to kick it off with number one. Number one is called Quattro Light Edition. It's a 12-hour watch face. This one is nice. I like the beauty of this one. It's definitely a premium watch face. Now everyone needs a white watch face in their lineup simply because it's going to help for you to see your time a lot better when the sun is shining bright. Now in the AOD mode, everything is going to be flipped. You're going to have a black background and everything else is going to turn white like your numbers. I like the look. Now the only downfall to this watch face, even considering that yes, the watch face is free for the taking, make sure you download ASAP, is that I wish I can change it black throughout the day at any given time. But it is not a deal breaker at all. But let's take a closer look at this watch face. First of all, if you look at the top, you're going to get your battery percentage. You're going to get your steps over here, calories burned, your heart rate information. You're going to also get miles walked or ran. I like this look. I like the font of the digital time. I like the fact that it's black and it's big and bold at the same time. You're going to get your date and the day of the week at the bottom. You also get a meter to let you know where you are with your heart rate, your steps info, where you are, also for your calories burned. So all in all, for a premium digital watch face, and that's what I see in this one, I say this one is a definite download. Do not sleep on this one. All right, you all, don't go anywhere. We got one more watch face for you all to check out. So let's check it out right now. Watch face number two is called GPG Digital. It's a 24-hour watch face. Definitely, yes, this is a yin yang watch face. I love yin yang. I like the look. I definitely like the design. Even in the AOD mode, you're going to get a simple digital time. Once the watch face is on, you're going to get your time here. You're going to get an AM PM stamp there with animated seconds. You're also going to get the day of the week down at the bottom along with your month and your date and your battery life. It's simple, but yet it gives you exactly what you're looking for, and that's the time. Now if I double tap on the watch face right here, I can go in and set an alarm. If I tap on the date right here, I can pull up my calendar, set an event. So it does have some features and functions to this watch face. Not a lot. Again, it's a simple, casual, dressed down watch face that I thought would be great for a casual dressed down look. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And again, as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.